Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. As I said in my last video, I have another Lancome kit from Sephora, and with this one I got a full hydrating sample bag, which is this one, and I'll show you what's in this one. But first let's see what's in the Lancome kit. I don't know exactly how much was this one, but I got them when they were in sale. It seems to be a little Christmas edition or something like that, and I'll leave the prices down below in the description box. So this one comes with 4 items, and this one is called Makeup Accessories, the Prep and Clean set. So we have 4 items, as I said. Let me open this and show you exactly. I think the prices for those kits are quite good, because one of these is, I don't know. Let me just look at my email and I'll let you know exactly how much was this one. So one of the kits was 35, another one was 46, and this one, anyway, I'll leave the information down below with the prices. So in this one you get this is the clarifying cream to foam cleanser. I think it's a good size, and this one is 2 fluid ounce, because if you buy them separate they are way more expensive. And then the next item here is this guy, which is Visionnaire eye correction, and this one is a good size also for an eye product, and this one has 50 mils, 0.5 ounce. And then we have from the Génifique line, we have this guy, which is correcting activator, and I think I got this in the other kit, the correcting activator, the concentrate. Yeah, I have the kit next to me, so this guy is the same thing with this one. It's just a smaller size. And then the last item on this one is my favorite eye makeup remover, and this is the Bi-Facil eye makeup remover. I really like this one. As I said, it's my favorite. It's quite expensive to buy it by itself. A full size of this, it's $40, and it looks like this. You get 200 mils, and in this one is a travel size. It's 1.7, but it does last a long time, so I think it's well worth it, especially when you get them in a kit like this with other products. Is a good choice. So you let me know what do you think about Lancome. I wasn't too much in the Lancome skincare. I got them to try them and see how they work for me. I got them when they were on sale. So yeah, if you use the Lancome, let me know what do you think about the brand, about their skincare, and I will also let you know what do you think after I'm gonna use them. And still with this order I got a free offer, which was the hydrating kit. And let's see what kind of samples. Oops, sorry for the noise. Let's see what kind of samples they send with this one. The first thing, a favor of many of us, is the Sol de Janeiro Balm cream. It's a cute size. I think you can use it for your hands or something like that, because it's not much in there. And then we have Kate Somerville, and this one is Wrinkle Warrior 2-in-1 plumping moisturizer and serum. Love when they come together, the serum and the moisturizer. Then we have the water sleeping mask from Laneige. Also we have here the First Aid Beauty, and this one is Coconut Skin Shooty Priming Moisturizer. Briojo Don't Despair Repair Conditioning Mask. We have here by Algenist is Genius Liquid Collagen. And also we have here a couple more samples, which are, this is the Sephora foundation, and you have 3 shades to try. There is no way to get a usage from one of these blisters, but at least I'll let you know in my sample of the week video how they feel on the skin and things like that. And also we have here from Fresh is Lotus Youth Preserve Face Cream. We have this Glam Glow Water Burst, it's Hydrated Glow Moisturizer. We have by Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask, and we get 3 of them. They are really small, but I think it's enough for a usage. And the last item in here is from Clinique, and this one is the moisturizing gel. So I think this is not bad for a free sample bag. Great brands in this one. I know most of them, I like them. So for sure you're gonna see those in the, as I said, in the sample of the week videos. So this is all for this video. I'm gonna show you in my next videos, or when I will get them, another 2, and probably tomorrow another 2 sets from Lancome. I'm waiting for 2 or 3 sets. I'm not so sure. I think it's gonna be 3 of them, 3 different skincare kits. So yeah, that's all for today. Let me know what do you think about Lancome, if you use them, and how they work for you. So with that being said, I wish you a very nice day, a nice week, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.